Describing vectors. This is a short video lesson going over some problems in a worksheet that we're going to be having in a little bit. So basically we're going to get into the nomenclature of describing vectors with their direction and magnitude. And so we have a couple example problems. First one, describe each vector, and you have this drawing of it looks kind of like an XY coordinate plane, but as you might notice, you're set up as east, south, north, west, and north. And so you can use your directions like you would a coordinate plane. And so this is kind of an introduction to the purposes of vectors in navigation. So what you have, it says the answer to this drawing, and you have this 5-meter vector over here, just down from the right, down from east, and it's 5 meters, so that's where the 5 meters comes, at 30 degrees, and it's south of east, and so it's toward south but of east. And so it's not, you don't put east of south. East of south, this thing's going to be 60 degrees east of south. But it's south, because this thing is pointing south of the eastern axis, if you will, the east-west axis. Let's look at the next example problem. We have this one here, another 30-degree angle, but this in 5-meter vector, but this time 30 degrees, not rotated down from east, but rather to the right or toward east from south. And so therefore this vector is going to be 5 meters, same magnitude, at 30 degrees east of south. So it's just it's a pattern. So I'm going to go over just a couple of these problems. I think I'll do 1 and 3. And so here we have 1, and we're over to the northwest quadrant, and we know that our magnitude is 11 meters, so we'll put 11 meters and the angle is from the north, so we're going to come over here and put of north. But what of north? Well, at 49 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and just move this over. It'll let me do it. We will be west of north. So west of north. So let's just check it. 11 meters at 49 degrees west of north. And so the angle here that is just adjacent to this axis, in this case the y-axis, up and down axis, that's going to be the of, so it's going to be of north. Let's go to look at number 3. Now I'll go look at, number 3 will be good. Okay, we have 12 meters, that's the length of our, so we say 12 meters, and it's going to be of east because the angle is adjacent to this east axis, and it's going to be at 65 degrees. I'll just say at 65 degrees, and what of east? Well, it's going to be north of east. So just for perspective, whatever axis that angle lies next to should be the of. So that's how we know that it's of east. Now if you wanted to, you could figure out this angle here, and that'd be 90 minus 65 or 25 degrees. We could alternatively write this same vector, this directional vector, navigational vector, as 12 meters at 25 degrees east of north. Okay? Anyway, good luck on the rest of these problems, and thanks for viewing.